Hey Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. We all have a purpose behind Forex trading or doing any job. Someone may come to Forex to earn some money. Again, someone might dream of doing something big in Forex. Again, many come to Forex to build their career. In other words, if I talk about the purpose, everyone comes to Forex to earn money, whether it's a small amount or a large amount. The only purpose behind trading is to earn money. And there are some conditions in Forex to make that money. If a trader can know and understand this condition and can follow this condition, then I would say that Forex for them. And those who can't meet this condition, it will be very difficult to survive in Forex. Because everything has a rules and system. You have to come through that rules or system to get the desired success. If we look at the biography of today's great men and successful men, we will see that they have come up with a very well plan, and that's why they are successful men. So let's take a look at those conditions. This video will be very useful, especially for those who are going to start Forex and those who are losing in Forex. So I hope they will watch the video from beginning to end. And if you want to get information or know important tips and tricks of Forex, can follow this playlist of FOREX BD. Here you will find the reason of loss and various important information. And I would like to request the well-wisher of FOREX BD to subscribe this new channel of FOREX BD. Here you will find good videos about Forex. And those who still don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. Some condition to make a profit in Forex. What are these conditions? Well, suppose you travel abroad or go abroad for some official work. So what do you do when you decide to go abroad? First of all, calculate how long you will stay. You will go abroad and stay in a hotel. What to travel with? Because if it's a neighboring country, you can also travel by train, bus or plane. After calculating everything, you will take money in that proportion. You will do the same in any business. So why don't you have any plan for Forex? Why can't you keep yourselves organized when you come to Forex? Why not set a profit target based on your own balance in Forex? When you travel, you determine the potential cost in proportion to the work and you take with you. So why not try the good aspect of your daily life in Forex? Maintaining those things will help you to be more disciplined in Forex and make your career happier, which you will get the answer in time. There are some more things you should keep in mind as a condition for earning in Forex. First one is pair. When you enter in Forex broker house, you will see many pairs. You get a pair and do a trade, but it's better not to do it. Do you do shopping from anywhere? No, you go to a good market, because your idea is that product of everywhere are not good. So why you trade in all pairs? Would all pair be better for your entry or for your strategy? So be sure to trade in pair that go with your strategy and your psychology. In particularly, we will suggest you to trade in USD passive pair like Euro USD, USD CAD, USD JPY. Second one is lot size. When you do shopping, you spend money based on your income, because it's not possible or harmful for you to spend more than that. So in Forex trading, why do you trade with a big lot size and bring your own loss? If you put extra pressure on your balance, you will lose the whole balance due to margin level or stop out. Set a lot size based on your balance. If you break rules of Forex, then you can't survive in Forex, because everything has a system and rules. Third one is learning something new. Good decision, good deeds bring good benefit. So you have to keep trying to learn something better. I'm saying this for everyone who is making profit, because you may be earning by following a strategy, but every strategy has a time limit. A strategy doesn't always give good feedback. If you get good profit in some month, you can't get good profit in some month. That is normal, because Forex doesn't follow any rules or any system. Forex runs at its own way. So when your strategy doesn't give good feedback, you have to keep trying to know how to stay in market or how to survive during loss. And the next one is and more important point is you should have a backup plan. A plan doesn't always work. Those who know of sports may know that the captain came up with a few plans before taking to the field, so that if for any reason plan A doesn't work, then plan B can apply, or if plan B doesn't work, then plan C can apply, because sometimes players got injured. So that's why captain have to change their plan. It's not just in sports. Great men or famous person follow these rules. So I believe you should have such a plan, so that if your first plan doesn't work, you can apply your next plan. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please share it and give us a like. It motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. And if you have any request, please write down in the comment box. FOREX BD try their level best to keep your request. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.